How far are we gonna go today?
60 kilometers.
Okay.
This is where I cut my tree.
This was our spot for the winter camp when we came over here. And the fireplace was up over there. One stroke. One stroke.
Can I blow now?
Oh. Leave him there. Okay. Now put the other wood on. Deborah, move away.
Daddy, you know.
Good work. We are ready to make a meal soon enough.
And I'm sleeping on Megatron.
So a little inside view. Two Yevendukes. Sea to Summit pad. Thank you, Umid.
And I'm sleeping here.
EMT Mammut pad. That's condensation. Two pillows and then a poncho for ground sheet and a plastic trash bag. And then this is the inside. Lots of condensation. That's where we slept.
We went up, eat breakfast.
Fireplace.
Right there.
So, good spot.
They make this is what they made in the olden days, so the kids could have fun and don't applaud their mommies and daddies when they were building house. So then they build one of these so they can play. I'm sitting under one of these slides from the olden days, but it's really fun in there today. Oh yeah! But a bit hard to do.
We just quickly came to see the Garpook if it was still standing. So obviously it's still standing, but yeah, let's see if it holds for the winter. No one has seemed to have made any alterations to it.
And look at this. after one day he's going to be 6 months.
Next month.
Yeah. Then in 6 months